Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play it as piano accompaniment Everybody Wants to Rule the World by Tears for Fears. So I will sing just as a reference point, and I have left in the description where you can find the full chords and lyrics, and I've also left my 80s piano tutorial playlist in the description as well. So let's dive in. This one is in the key of D major, so on the screen now are all the notes to the scale of D major. So these are the notes we are working with. Here is middle C, just as a reference point. On the top screen, the left hand will be blue and the right hand will be orange. So I'm going to just do the intro first. So I'll play what we're going to be teaching you. So the left hand is just going to play this A, and then the right hand is going to play F sharp, A, F sharp, B, F sharp, A. So that's 1. So you do that 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You press the A again if you want to. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it's straight into the so there, I'll teach you the chords. So we have A over D. The left hand just plays a D, but the right hand we have A major, second inversion, so that's E, A, C sharp. So we'll just hold the chords down first, and then I'll go over the left hand rhythm. So we go, and then we have G major over D. So the left hand is playing second inversion as well of G major, so that's D, G, and B. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So if you wanted to add some of the bass line rhythm in there, the rhythm is like a swing rhythm, so it's going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and like long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you do that through 4 times, and then we carry that on another 4 times for the verse. So now I'm just going to demonstrate it from the intro all the way to the end of this first verse, and then we'll look at the chorus. Then we're into the chorus. I'll just play it first. I'll teach both hands. We have an E minor 7. So E in the left hand, in the right hand that's G, B and D. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we move that to F sharp minor 7. So F sharp in the left hand, the right hand that's A, C sharp and E. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we come to G major, root position. So G in the left hand, and then G, B, D in the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go back to the F sharp minus 7 chord again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll do all that again from the E minor 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. F sharp minor 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. G major. 1, 2, 3, 4. F sharp minor 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then these next 4 chords are all 2 beats each. So we have the E minor 7 again. 1, 2. F sharp minor 7. 1, 2. G major. 1, 2. And then we have A major, root position. So it's like playing that F sharp minor 7 chord again, but except we have an A in the left hand, and that makes A major root position. So if I just demonstrate the chorus now then. Acting on your best behavior, turn your back on Mother Nature. Everybody wants to rule the world. And then it's back into this 2 more times. And then we carry on the verse and then the chorus the same as we've just done. It's my own design. It's my own remorse. Help me to decide. Help me make the most of freedom and of pleasure. Nothing ever lasts forever. Everybody wants to rule. And then we have the bridge part. So this part only shows up once in the whole song. So it's just 3 chords. So we play G major, first inversion. So G in the left hand, and in the right hand that's B, D, and G. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we play D major twice. So D in the left hand, and then second inversion of D major in the right hand, which is A, D, F sharp. So again from G major, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then that A major again, like we had at the end of the chorus. And then we repeat that chord progression 3 times, so back to the G. So I'll just demonstrate the bridge with vocals, and then it's straight into the chorus part again, which we just play the same as before. There's a room where the light won't find you, holding hands while the world comes tumbling down. When they do, I'll be right behind you. So glad we have almost made it, so sad that they had to fade it. Everybody wants to rule the world. And then we do the intro bit again, but twice as long this time. And then we have this next bit, which I'll play for you first. That again. So the right hand, the notes are on the top screen there. A, D, and then we play B with that. And then C sharp, B, A, and then with this F sharp we have a C in the left hand, F sharp, G, A, D. And then we repeat that again. So B and D, C sharp, B, A, C and F sharp, G, A, D. And then the right hand plays the same thing again. So A, but this time the left hand plays G with this D. And then with this F sharp it plays A. And then to finish it off it plays B, A, and then straight into the bit again. For the guitar solo, obviously we're not going to do the guitar solo. So I'll do all of that again. Do this bit 4 times while the guitar solo plays. And then we have the chorus, but twice through this time. I can't stand this indecision, married with a lack of vision. Everybody wants to rule the world. Say that you'll never need it. One headline might believe it. Everybody wants to rule the... Back into this riff again. And then the chorus again. All for freedom and for pleasure, nothing ever lasts forever. Everybody wants to rule the world. And then this until it fades. So there's another guitar solo. If you want to make it sound finished, slow it down and land on that chord. So if I just play all of this post-chorus part after this second chorus then.
that's the end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.